Once in a quaint little town, there lived a kind-hearted dog named Max. Max was not just any dog, he was special. He had an extraordinary ability to understand human emotions. Every day, he roamed the streets, spreading love and cheer among the townsfolk. One winter, a terrible storm hit the town. Max noticed an elderly woman, Mrs. Thompson, struggling to carry her groceries home. Braving the icy winds, he guided her safely, carrying her bag in his mouth. Grateful, Mrs. Thompson adopted him. Max's kindness didn't end there. He became a therapy dog, bringing comfort to patients in the local hospital. His presence had a magical effect, healing not just bodies but also souls. People learned compassion and empathy from him. One day, a young boy, Timmy, lost his way in the woods. Max, with his keen sense of smell, found Timmy and led him back to safety. Timmy's parents were deeply moved by Max's selflessness. Max's tale spread, teaching everyone that kindness and empathy could change the world. Max, the dog with a heart of gold, became a symbol of love, reminding people that even in a dog's wag, there lay a lesson, the true essence of being human.